Hi guys, and welcome back to Bite Size Excel. In this video, we're going to take a look at customizing the ribbon to add your own custom tab along the top. Now this can be quite helpful if you use a number of actions in Excel that maybe don't typically appear on the ribbon, or have some that you use very commonly and you'd like them all in one place to make it a bit quicker in your workbook. So to do this, what we need to do is we need to right click on the ribbon and come to this Customize the Ribbon. And what you can do is you can add in to any of the existing groups, new commands from over on the left hand side here. But what we're going to talk about today is adding in a new tab. So at the moment we've got a new tab, custom. You can rename it. So we'll just call it custom. And then you can have custom groups in there. So you can actually add as many groups as you like, similarly to how if you look at the home tab, it's got the clipboard, font, alignment, and so on it. So you can add in your own groups and again, rename them. So what you do is you come to any of your groups, you can select from popular commands in here, or you can come to all commands and pick the ones you want from the list. Would you be interested in future videos in learning a little bit more about some of the commands that don't typically appear on the ribbon? We're going to look at one in our next video, which is the camera command. But if there's any others that you might like to look at, do let me know in a comment. So this has just been a really quick tip as to how you might be able to speed up your work in Excel through using a custom tab. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and I do look forward to seeing you in the next video.